General Electric gets $220 million contract for F-414 engines in support of F/A-18 production. The U.S. Navy has given General Electric, the world's largest aircraft engine maker, a contract modification F-414 engines, according to the U.S. Department of Defense contract announcements. General Electric was awarded a $219.9 million contract modification for the supply of 48 F-414GE-400 engines and engine devices in support of the F/A-18 Super Hornet production aircraft for the Navy. The DOD announced, under the terms of the agreement, work will be performed in Lynn, Massachusetts 59%, Hooksett, New Hampshire 18%, Rutland, Vermont 12%, and Madisonville, Kentucky 11%, and is expected to be completed in August 2023. Also noted that the Naval Air Systems Command, Patuxent River, Maryland, is the contracting activity. According to GE, the F-414GE-400 combines the proven reliability, maintainability and operability of its successful F-404 predecessor with advanced technologies to provide the Boeing F/A-18E F Super Hornet with up to 35% more thrust and significant improvements in aircraft performance, survivability and payload. Its simple, modular design is reliable and easy to maintain. F-414GE-400 engines also power Boeing's EA-18G Growler electronic attack aircraft, also operational with the United States Navy. The F-414INS-6 was selected by India's Aeronautical Development Agency (ADA) to power the MKII version of the Tejas light combat aircraft.